Hello, this is Dave from Wisdom Industry Company Limited. Today's video is about our electric bike for kids. This is a toy bike, and this model is more expensive since we have different assets available. First, here we have the key switch here, Bluetooth, and this on this sample here we have a horn and a headlight, a big headlight here. And also we have a 3-speed selection here, 3-speed selection switch. And more importantly, we have a flashing wheel here. The flashing in the night is flashing a lot, and for safety of course. It's also for safety. And the sample here we have a brushless motor with a drum brake in the rear. This graphic depends on buyer's request. Different graphics available. The seat height is only 44 millimeters. It's for kids' safety. On the lithium battery, it is 36 volts. The battery size depends on buyer's request. Okay, that's all. So for the latest prices, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Bye bye.